10 questions, you will have to say answers within 45 seconds. 45 seconds for science. Minimum distance required for hearing an echo.
17.2 meter.
Which enzyme is absent in the saliva of newborn baby? Find the value of 7 raised to 0 plus 5 raised to 1.
5.
What is the smallest composite even number?
2. Composite 4.
Your final answer. Indirect is correct. If you're confident with an answer, that's very good. So team A gets 20 points. Question number 11. So please rate. Question number 11. Who gets question number 11? Team E. Next question to Team E. You can say.
Hydrogen.
Very good. So hydrogen is the correct answer. Team D 20 points. So we come to the end of third round. Audience question. Ready? So Akshit gets a chocolate. Big round of applause for Akshit. So we will see the scores. Okay, when I say the team name, just show me your hands, okay? Raised. 2. Question number 2. Okay. 3, 4, 4, 4. 4. Who is getting 4? You are getting 3 and 4 together. You are getting 4. Ah, yeah. 4, 3, right? 3, 4, 5. You are getting 5. So 5 we will change. 1 and 5 they got. We need 6, right? So 5 we will change. Who is getting 6? You have got 6. You have not got any number. So you will be 5. Okay. So this is 1. Who is 2? 2, 3. Say same number. 3. Okay. 4, 5, 6, right? Okay. 10 questions. You will have to say answers within 45 seconds. 45 seconds for science. Then for the next rapid fire, that is maths, you will get time as 1 minute. 1 minute to say the answer for 10 questions. Okay? And you have to answer it very spontaneously. It's a rapid fire. Get it? Any doubts? Anybody? No doubts? So we'll be doing science first. Science first. Okay? There is no pass in this. There is no pass in rapid fire. How much can you score? 20. Got it? You can come closer. How much you bidding?
80. How much are I?
Sir, these are the scores they have bidded. Timer. Yeah. First question on the screen. Write your answer and put a circle on it. Write your answer, put a circle on it. Time up. Pen down. All of you pen down. Answer. What is this?
1 by 4.
Answer.
1 by 4. 1 by 4.
Answer. Answer. Means? Okay. Answer. Okay. None of them got the correct answer. Answer is force will become 4 times. 1 by 4. All of you got correct.
Last 5 seconds.
Distance is double.
1 by 4. 4 will go to the numerator.
Double.
Why, sir?
1 by 4. That is.
So B gave wrong. B gives. Okay. What was the question? I didn't see. Answer is 0. Answer. Do you have an answer? Answer. Which one? Okay, 3 teams have given the correct answer. 0. Who gave 0? 0. Team B, Team E, and Team F. Okay? Answer. 4. Answer? 4 times. Who gave 4? Give 1 by 4. Team C, Team D, and Team F. You gave 16.
Starts now.
Time starts now.
Yes, time's up.
Answer. Answer.
Newton meter square by r square.
Newton. Answer. Answer. Oh, sorry. Answer.
by kg square. Meter square by kg square.
Okay. Team E. Team A, B, C, D, F. Correct. You missed one square. Next, chemistry. Chemistry. Bidding. How many points?
56.
Huh?
56.
No. Bid in 10 multiples of 10.
66.
Sir, these are the... Sir, question. Write down. One answer. Write down. Okay, all of them have got correct answers. Well done. All correct answers.
Last 5 seconds.
Ma'am, they all... Next. Second question. Sir, second question. Write down.
I have it.
Team D has got it wrong. All others got it correct. Aluminium is the correct answer. Third question on the screen. Team C got it wrong. Correct answer. Phosphorus. Team C. Team A, B, D, E, F. Correct answer. Last question on this topic. Answer. One answer. Which one? Answer. Answer. Team A and B got it wrong. All others correct. Silver is the correct answer. Okay. A, B wrong. C, D, E, F correct.
Okay, last biology.
Okay. Last bidding round for biology.
கேளுங்க bidding எவ்வளவு பண்ணிருக்காங்க கேளுங்க டைம்
Bidding. Sir, next bidding. These are the scores. Sir, tell your answer. Don't read out your answers. Just write option and time up. Pen down. Write answer. Option. Okay. Team B and C got it wrong. All others correct. C, you have written C, right? Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next question.
Question number 3.
Sir, B, C wrong. All other correct.
Question 3, okay?
Write down your answers and show me. Don't say it out loud. Answer, pen down all of you. Answer. Okay. 3 teams got it right. You showed me B. No. C. You showed me C. Team B, correct. Team C, correct. Team F, correct. Team B, C, F. Sorry.
Okay, last
question, all of you. Write your answer, put a circle and show me.
5 seconds.
What's your answer? B is wrong. Answer C is the correct answer. So you have got C, Team B correct. You have got Team B and Team F correct. Okay, we are to the end of the quiz program. A very big applause for all the participants. Played well, and we are waiting for the final scores. So you can go and sit there. We'll be giving your refreshments now. Please go and sit there. Which gas is known as laughing gas?
Nitrous oxide.
Which component of blood helps in maintaining osmotic pressure?
Plasma.
Fiber also known as artificial silk.
Nylon.
Force.
Coulomb force.
Bacteria that convert nitrogen into usable form.
Rhizobium.
Rate of doing work.
Power.
Fossil fuel formed from dead plants under pressure.
Coal.
The disease spread by female Aedes mosquito.
Dengue.
The animal tissue specialized for rapid time. The animal tissue specialized for rapid impulse conduction. Answer.
Neuron.
Maths next round. So team 2. Zone of flame with highest temperature.
outer zone.
Which tissue shows lignification but still remains living at maturity? Which form of energy is possessed by an object due to its configuration?
Can you repeat the question?
Which form of energy is possessed by an object due to its configuration?
Potential energy.
Area under velocity time graph.
Displacement.
Object floats if its density is dash than the liquid.
Less.
Saturated hydrocarbons with single bonds.
Example we should say. Saturated.
Common name.
Alkane.
Metal that can be cut with a knife.
Sodium.
Citrus canker is caused by.
Calcium.
Sorry, 6, 7 correct answers. Very good. Be very attentive. If you repeat the question, your chances of getting all the questions will go low. So be very attentive. Okay? Ready? Please be quiet, all of you. Okay. What structural difference makes arteries capable of withstanding high pressure?
Thick walls.
Muscle tissue working involuntarily.
Smooth muscles.
A coin at the bottom of a beaker appears raised. Why?
Apparent question.
Which mirror is used as rear view mirror in vehicles?
Convex.
Slope of distance time graph.
Resistance.
Purest form of carbon.
This is what?
Purest form of carbon.
Not type.
Rust disease of wheat is caused by
Next one.
cells embedded in the matrix of bone. Which plastic is used for making electrical switches?
PVC.
Circular motion is accelerated or non-accelerated? 5 correct answers. Very good. Chemical preservative used in jams.
Nitrogen or sorry.
Which respiratory pigment has a higher affinity for carbon monoxide than oxygen? Which law is also known as law of periods in planetary motion?
Kepler's law.
Why do stars twinkle but planets do not?
Because planets are extended sources.
The position of a planet where it is closest to the sun.
Foci.
The ability of carbon atoms to form bonds with other carbon atoms is called.
Catenation.
Hematite is an ore of. The answer was iron. Okay. So team 4 has got 3 correct answers. Very good. Minimum distance required for hearing an echo.
17.2 meter.
Which enzyme is absent in the saliva of newborn baby?
Trypsin.
Persistence of hearing is how many seconds?
1/16.
Soap is a sodium or potassium salt of dash.
Sodium.
Alkynes are saturated or unsaturated?
Unsaturated.
Name the acid present in tea leaves.
Abscisic acid.
The alloy of copper and zinc.
Copper and zinc. Tin.
Vector responsible for spreading malaria.
Female. Anopheles.
The fiber that provides elasticity to tissues.
Fibroblasts.
The waves. Okay. So the team has given 1, 2, 3 correct answers. Very good. Name the plant hormone that promotes cell division in fruits and delays aging.
Cytokinin.
Which scale measures the intensity of an earthquake?
Scale. Richter scale.
Why don't magnetic field lines intersect?
Skip.
Separation of grains from stalks.
Threshing.
Name the acid present in apple.
Malic acid.
Same mass number, different atomic numbers.
Isobars.
The red data book is maintained by
IUCN.
fluid that protects brain from mechanical shock.
Cerebral.
Metal stored in kerosene.
Metal stored.
Sodium.
Watermelon, cucumber, muskmelon are which crops?
Zaid.
Okay, very good. So they have answered all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 correct answers. What is the value of minus 3 whole square minus 3 square? What is the value of 0.6 multiplied by 0.5?
0.03.
What is the smallest composite number?
4.
Write the HCF of 18 and 24.
6.
What is the mean of the first 5 natural numbers?
3.
How many zeros are there at the end of 1800 raised to 7?
14.
If one angle of a straight line is 65 degree, find the other angle.
150 degrees.
If x plus 5 is equal to 12, find 2x. How many edges does a triangular prism have?
12.
How many sides does a regular hexagon have?
6.
Okay, very good. So you have solved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 correct answers in the time. So well done. Find the value of 7 raised to 0 plus 5 raised to 1.
5.
What is the smallest composite even number?
2. Composite 4.
What is the value of 0.4 multiplied by 0.05?
0.002.
How many vertices does a rectangular prism have?
4. Rectangle prism. 4.
Write the LCM of 16 and 24.
LCM of 16 and 24. LCM of 16 and 24. Next question.
What is the value of 7 multiplied by 8 minus 6?
It's 50.
A number is divisible by both 3 and 4. What is the smallest such number?
12.
What is the sum of the interior angles of a trapezium?
Interior angles of trapezium, it's 360.
Find the complementary angle of 35 degree.
35, it's 65. 60, 55.
Opposite angles of a parallelogram are?
One supplementary.
No, equal.
Okay, very good.
Opposites it's equal.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 correct answers. Very good. What is the value of root of 144 minus root 49? How many faces does a triangular prism have? If the radius of a circle becomes 3 times, how many times does its circumference increase?
5.
What is the value of 0.8 multiplied by 0.5? What is the smallest composite odd number? Write the HCF of 12 and 18. How many prime numbers are there between 10 and 30? If one angle of a linear pair is 40 degrees, find the other angle.
140.
If the selling price equals the cost price, what is the profit or loss?
0.
If y by 4 is equal to 5, find y minus 2.
What? Taken
Y by 4 is equal to 5. Find y minus 2.
18.
Okay, very good. So the total answers, correct answers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 correct answers. Very good. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 correct answers. Simplify 3 by 4 into 8 by 9.
8 கண்டிப்பா நான் எதுவும் தெரியாம சொல்லிட்டேன்.
How many edges does a rectangular pyramid have? Write the LCM of 18 and 12. What is the mean of 2, 4 and 6? What is the value of 0.7 multiplied? Very big applause. Very big round of applause for them.
Yes. F.
Very big round of applause for them. So thank you all for being such a wonderful audience. I hope some of you have got chocolates also. So we'll be having more and more competitions like this. So be prepared, okay? Yeah. So we have participation certificates for all the finalists today, okay? Arjun is
Your marks.
Arjun
Marks, I don't have marks. I will ask and inform you, okay?
What?
Elsa asked
By
her.
how much did our second team?
More, I think.
Huh?
More, I think.
They lost by more. No chance.
No chance.
I think that hardly 10 to 20 points.
Mark is not there. Mark is not there. They announced the result alone.
Which is first time, second, third team, sir.
Sir, 190 third.
190.
What? Wait, how much did you? She is 190.
See, I told you. I told you. That's a huge difference.
Yeah, for us it's.
That's what you asked.
2.4. I
You asked
asked
between team C. Yeah.
No, that's all.
They are beating me, but they
That's why we never win.
How much money? Varba and Alan. Sudarshan, Varba, Alan, please on stage. Varba. Let us pass.
Varbhav Nalin.
Varba, Alan.
Sir, in last 40
Team Team D.
How many are remaining team D here? All are here, no? Together.
Winner and runner.
Actually, 190. There's a difference between 20.
Wait, guys, wait.
Smile. Ranjan.
Show your trophy. Okay. Look here, all of you first. Ranjan, I don't know here.
Here first, then you can.
And you can smile also.
First look here, then change. Now the ma'am. Here, Ram. With teachers, wait. Ma'am, all